see what we can do here. So it looks like it's been treated, but there is a really small star in that window. I'll try to shoot it from the inside too. There is some electrolysis, they call it, on these, just the arms here of the mirrors. The regular mirror heads and everything all look good, but there is some electrolysis on the arms. Slide topper awnings. You asked about tire size 235, 80, 22.5. Like I said, they're original, but they look good. I don't see any dry rot. That's a 0219 is the DOT. So second week in 2019. They do have side and backup camera. Bus style doors, which swing out so you can get under them. Let's see what else we got. Tankless hot water heater we had mentioned. Guess I probably should try to get into some of these for us. 5500 watt Onan generator. Wow. Plenty of dump hoses there. You can stretch that a country mile. Dump station. That's your gray water. Pass through on the top. A little bit of corrosion there, but it's because they don't undercoat these. The rest of it, I mean, it really looks good for the most part. There's just some little bit of corrosion like on your raw metal basically, and it's expected. Another pass through. This is your inverter, your water filtration, your inverter. So if you look, somebody cared, because if you look, they put tags, numbered compartments. Like that one has the inverter sticker on it. It's number 9. It's number 8 in the batteries. Does have Trojans. I mean, just some of the things that I see, people cared about it, I think. Oh, I'm getting too old to bend down like that. Let's see. Door awning, patio awning, and slide topper awning. This is that little piece of, and we'll get to it when I go in, but a little piece of rubber seal needs to be glued up. I noticed this step, to me, was a little spongy, a little bouncy, but it's not the bracket or anything. I think it's just the type of steps. I don't know. Let's see here. Looks like a brawl maybe for the front end, I think. Yeah, this one says water tanks, dump water tank. LP gas shuttle. Yeah, LP tank. And it's tab. A little bit of scuff right there, but I think most of that'll buff out. Muddy back here. It all looks good. Oh. Couple of things you asked about. Like I said, you need the app, but it does say GPS navigation, Sirius, Bluetooth. Upholstery up here is all really nice. Overhead bunk, the sofa, all this is nice. This is jackknife like we talked about. Seems like this one right here is the only one. It's not ripped or torn, but like we talked about, that top coat is flaking off. They are manual, you asked me about. But all the upholstery everywhere else is perfectly fine. Convection microwave. Let's see. And here's where I showed you. Yeah, I mean, oddly enough, 4 hours on the generator, but this is where you can set your start and stop, your auto generator. Just your controls, tanks, master lights, heat and AC, vents, slides, and settings. King bed, like we talked about, the mattress is nice. It's so it's zipped up in this bag, but it's memory foam, thick. I said 8, maybe 6, but definitely thick, definitely nice, clean. This is where you can set up, and it's power. The switch is right there under your head, so you can lay it down or set it up. Your voltage for CPAP, and let's look, and it is on both sides. I looked earlier. Yeah, both sides. Tabletop for up front. Have to make sure. Oh yeah, there's the pole. Wanted to make sure that was in there. Stackable washer dryer. Pantry, a couple pull-out shelves on the bottom. I mean, overall, nice coach, I think. Hopefully you do. Hopefully that answered a lot of your questions. I'm sure we'll talk and work our way through any additional. Thank you.